Hello everyone. Welcome back to another helpful tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to save a shape, icon, or any object from Microsoft Word as a PNG or JPEG image. As you can see, we have created a shape in Microsoft Word, and we want to save it as an image. However, Microsoft Word does not provide a direct option to export shapes as PNG or JPEG files. Don't worry, there's a simple workaround. First, right-click on the shape and select Copy. Next, open the Windows search bar. Type Paint and open the Paint application. Once Paint opens, press Ctrl+V to paste the copied shape. Now, click on the Select tool and carefully select only the part of the image that you want to keep. Since there is some empty space around the shape, make sure to select only the required area. After making the selection, click on Crop. As you can see, the unnecessary empty space has been removed, leaving only the image we need. If you want to change the size of the image, click on Resize. You can resize it by percentage or pixels. We'll keep the original size, so no changes are needed. Now, click on File. Then choose Save As. Here, you'll see different image formats such as PNG, JPEG, BMP, and GIF. Since we want a PNG image, here we click PNG. Next, choose the location where you want to save the file. I'll select the desktop. Name the file background, and then click Save. Now, let's go to the desktop. As you can see, the image has been successfully saved as a PNG file. You can now use it wherever you need. That's how you can easily save any shape or object from Microsoft Word as a PNG or JPEG image using Microsoft Paint. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might find it useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming tutorials on Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other useful computer tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.